As we know, catering and accommodation such as hotels, restaurants, hospitals, food processing factories, as well as soap and hygiene product factories are advised to avoid the introduction of grease or other type of organic oils into their pipelines and sewage treatment plants. Why? Because it clogs the pipes and can disrupt the smooth flow of sewage.
Hello, since our team has been working with grease separators for 20 years, we thought we will share some insight and tips about grease separators.
What type to use? Freestanding or underground?
Our company manufactures underground and freestanding grease separators. Freestanding grease separators are used when barrel is not possible in cities, malls, or towns.
How to determine nominal size? How to calculate?
For restaurants, the calculation is based on number of meals and working hours. Then other parameters such as water consumption per meal are included. For food industry and other special applications, individual calculations are needed.
Is there any unpleasant odor?
Above ground grease separators are enclosed, sealed and completely odor-free. The more advanced models do not even require the lid to be open for the servicing. During a servicing, a suction is made and the fresh water is filled by the siphon.
How to notice malfunction?
Above ground grease separators have control panel that reports the status of a unit, whether the unit is functioning well, a fault has been detected, or when a high fat level has been reached. The underground grease separator also has an alarm that informs about high level of grease has been reached, thus indicating that it's time for the service.
How often the service is required?
Depending on the amount of fat and the intensity of use. Grease separators accurately report service time, so a user avoids too frequent or too infrequent services.
Can hot fat be poured in?
You can pour in grease at any temperature as it cools down before it reaches the separator. The grease separators are tested and comply with EN 1825 standard.
How long does it take to manufacture grease separator?
If we have stock, it can be transported the next day. If out of stock, it takes from few days to few weeks to make.
Does the product has a warranty?
The standard warranty is 24 months, but the polythene tank is guaranteed for up to 10 years, but you can be sure it can be used longer.
Does it has an automatic disposal system?
Our Greasely 8 pump model is equipped with automatic emptying system. As soon as operator receives a signal, all he has to do is press start button and servicing process starts automatically.
Is there a connection to a building management system?
Yes, above ground grease separators alarm can be connected to the general system to signal when it's functioning well, when the fault is detected or when the high grease level is reached.